Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are a newbie, kindly subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very beautiful tulle dress that you can wear for different occasions, for your birthday, for events, evening party. Our foundational material would be this stretchy material. The other material you'll be needing is a tulle. This is a 6-inch by 100-yard tulle. You'll be needing your tape rule, your scissors, and you'll be needing ribbon of the same color, that matches with the spool. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do here is to gather your tulle. This is your tulle, so change just like this, and let's gather. I hope you can see very well, so you keep gathering. So we continue to gather. See that? Continue to gather until you get your desired length for you can always attach, so when you've reached the end of this, you can just cut, pull, and cut. See, it's already forming already, but if you're not satisfied with the puffness, you can just gently pull the top thread slightly. See what I'm pulling right here? You can pull both sides slightly. See, when you pull both sides slightly, it gives you this puff kind of. See that? Just slightly, and it gives you this puff. So we have this one. We can go ahead and gather another one. Just the same way we gathered the other one. Don't forget to leave your tension at 0 and your stitch length at 2. So my tension is on 0 and my stitch length is on 2. You can go ahead and keep gathering your gathers. So if you're not so comfortable with forming a long, you can cut, and continue to. This one is a bit long, so you see what we have here. Okay, this is the first one. So you can just go ahead and pull slightly the thread, the top thread, leaving this below one, can just pull the top thread slightly. You have to be very careful so it doesn't cut. Once it cuts, the tool is as good as nothing. So this one is not pulling. You can just leave it that way. By the time you attach it to it, it's still gonna form. So okay, see, okay, I think it's already formed, so just pull it slightly. And isn't it beautiful? So we have this, so you can go ahead to gather as many as you want. See, by the time we put these two together, it already gave us a very beautiful ruffle. So the next thing you want to do is to you attach it to the ribbon. So this is your ribbon, obviously for the shoulder. So you attach your ribbon to your tool. So you attach, so this is what I have. You can just attach it, then you make sure you sew at the middle. So you look for the middle. This is the middle right here. You place it on the machine and sew the middle. See that? Then you also add this to it. Keep sewing at the middle. See? So at the middle, make sure everything is at the middle. So you want to go ahead and sew. Keep sewing until keep adding. Alright everyone, we are done gathering our tool, and this is what we have here. This is our ribbon in the middle, as you can see. So this is our ruffle. Isn't it beautiful? So we have two of them. See that? So we're going to measure. This is the length of each ruffle is about 23, and we have the other one. The other one is longer. This is 26. I'm going to show you why the other one is longer. So we have 26 and we have 23. So this one is about 3 inches different from this one. So let's go ahead and finish up. This is the shortest one for the shoulder. We're going to look for where you want it to stay. This is your stretchy material. It's just like a dress. Then this is our ruffle. So we can start by, you know, joining it here. You use the pin first to make sure it fits properly before you tack. Just like this. You can go ahead and as well do for this place. So you also want to take the other one. You know, this one is longer. It's quite longer than this one. So the reason for that is this, because we want it to cover the front side. I hope you can see very well. Because we want it to cover the front side, so we'll just go ahead and, you see, just covers the front. See, it's gonna be awesome. Then we attack it here. With a pin. Then we'll also tack it here. I hope you can see. So tack it here. Then we turn it to the back. See that? Then we can as well tack this one here. Then we turn it to the back. Do the same thing for the back. make sure we still need the hand, so we'll not make it too tight at the back. So just release it a bit, make it a bit loose at the back because we need the ham. Just stuck right here. Then the same thing here. It's okay to just bring this one here. See, even before we tack it already gave us this beautiful look, this Cinderella look. Look at that. It gives us this Cinderella look. So you just want to go ahead and make sure the both arms are equal. See that? Then what we just want to do here is we'll pick our needle and our thread. Pick your needle and your thread. Then those places we tack, we just begin to tack it. So you gently remove the pin and tack with the needle and thread. See? Just tack it there, right there. Your dress is ready. So one last thing you have to do is to do some flower pattern here. So I'm still using our tool. We're gonna make some flower patterns here. So how to make that flower pattern is just you take this tool. Just watch me as I do it. Just it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See? Get 13 like it's full enough. So you just cut right here, and you also cut another one right here. So what you do is you bring this middle together. See that? Don't let it loose so tight. Then you tie right here at the middle. Make it very tight. See that? Then let's loosen them up. So when you've done that, just open them out. Open, open, open. Just open. Open them up. So see, since they are not of irregular shape, you can just trim out. When you just trim it out, you can more length, just trim it out. So we'll go ahead and do as many as we want. See? So we have all our flowers gathered right here. So we just have to do the finishing. So here's the base. So we're gonna attach this to it, one after the other. See that? 6 of it at the front, then also attach 6 at the back. So we'll be needing, let's go ahead and do for the middle. See, right there.